What's up YouTube, it's your boy King Kilo. Today I got a sneaker unboxing for you guys, but before I get off into the video, go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead, like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to your boy. But let's go ahead and get off into it. So let's go ahead and get off into this video. Boom, you can see right here, I got a Nike SB box. And on the box reads, Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Court Purples. So obviously got the Court Purples from the SNKRS app. First W of the year on the SNKRS app. Inside the box comes this little sticker, Nike SB sticker. You got the paper. And then obviously you got that quality control sticker right there, boom. So you know these are legit, because you guys be trying to troll me in the comments saying that my shoes are fake. They're definitely not fake. But boom. Here is the Nike SB Court Purple. And I'll put a little B-roll up here too so you guys can get a more in-depth look at the shoe. But just starting off, this is how the shoe comes. It comes laced with black laces. It has a set of black and white laces. I'll put the white laces in the left pair. And when I do the on feet, you guys can get another up close look as well. But this is the shoe. It didn't come with any quality issues at all. I know some people have been having like issues with Nike lately, like their quality control has been like really bad, but this pair was clean. You can see the nice tumbled leather on this shoe. It just bounces right back up. It looks super good. I like how these look, and purple kind of just goes with anything. So I got my little Joker shirt on right now. You know what I'm saying? I could rock these with this. But yeah, man, nice shoe. This shoe retailed at $115, I think. And what's crazy is that in 2020, I gotta keep referencing that year because it was a wild year for sneakers. This shoe was going for $300. Now it's sitting at about $160, which is like normal. Like that's normal. And I don't know why it was so inflated back then, but the price of this shoe has dropped significantly. And like I said, it's sitting at about $160 to grab this pair. My size is size 13, my personal size. I'll show you guys on the box. Size 13. And yeah, and right before this release, you can see the older pairs going for about like $300, $350 for this specific shoe. And used, it was going for even more than what it's going for now, brand new. So I like that Nike is releasing a couple of things this year, just so the people that didn't get a chance to grab them can grab them. And you know what I'm saying, it kind of fluctuated the market a little bit. I know people that's holding on to the shoes, they're probably sick because, you know, they can't sell it for that premium price, but you know what I'm saying, it is what it is. But I like these white laces, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think, because I really like the white laces in this shoe. I don't know how I feel about the black laces, but you know what I'm saying, I like the white laces. They look clean. They look cleaner. But moving on, we got the purple insoles. We got that zoom unit on the bottom right here. And it says Nike SB Zoom Air. I can see that. Boom. Same thing on the other pair. And then basic shoe stuffers, little paper that comes in the shoes. And that's pretty much it, man. Like this shoe, like I said, is a nice pair to have in the collection. I don't have much SBs. I have a few pairs, nothing crazy. I got the Powerpuff Girls Buttercup pair, and I got the I think it's like an emerald red or something like that pair. Pay like $110 for it. But yeah, y'all let me know how y'all feel about this shoe, and y'all let me know how you guys like the on feet that I'm about to show up and coming. But hey man, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys for tuning in to the channel. Go ahead and do your boy a solid, like I said in the beginning of the video. Like this video, leave some comments down below, chop it up with me, and subscribe to the channel. But that's it for today's video. Peace.